Alright, so we got a couple of our patches. We're just going to start on one side and I'm just going to give it a good wipe. It doesn't necessarily matter what motion you use. I'm just going to kind of roll this. Touch on the sights, get the sights wiped down. Top of the slide here. And now you may be noticing, your hands may be a little oily and you may be thinking that you're putting fingerprints back on it. But we're going to address that at the end once we get this firearm back together. We're going to touch on that at the end. So right now, unless your hands are just really dirty, which you got this rag here, you just wipe your fingers on the rag, or if you need to take a break and wash your hands, take a break and wash your hands. Okay. I'll wipe up the back of the slide here. You can see one of my little fingerprints, but I don't have any dirt on my hands. It's just a little bit of oil from the excess break free, and we're going to take care of that here after a while. Okay, so now that I got my slide on the inside and the outside all cleaned up and wiped up, I'm just going to kind of look over and make sure I don't see anything. I'm not seeing anything, so I'm just going to set this off to the side now, and I'm going to move on to my lower receiver.